Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, and in this video right here I'm going to be showing you guys this wig from the company Sogoodhair. And right now I'm just showing you guys the packaging. Get a nice sturdy box for your wig. Now I'll go ahead and show you guys the wig. Okay, so the wig that I have today is their Brazilian hair 13x6 lace front wig, and it's curly hair. I have it in the natural color, and it does have a pre-plucked hairline, and the hair density is approximately between 130 and 150%, and it has lightly bleached knots. Okay, so you do have your baby hairs and all of that. As you see here, you do get quite a bit of parting space, and you have a few combs at the top, one in the back, and you also have your adjustable straps. Now here is the hairline on the wig. The hairline looks pretty good, and there are your baby hairs that you can use if you choose to do so. So yeah, I'm just showing you guys how this wig is looking straight out of the box. But as usual, you know that I'm going to wash this hair and show you guys how it's going to look after you wash it. So I've washed and conditioned the hair, and again, I'm showing you guys the hairline while it's wet. So yeah, if you wanted to go ahead and do baby hairs and all that, you would go ahead and do that while the hair was wet. And yeah, it looks pretty good. The hairline looks really good.
See, I'm talking about eternity, feeling what you can, babe, my baby, my baby.
Right now, I'm just doing a deep side part on the wig, and then I'm going to allow it to air dry, and then I will go ahead and come back and show you guys how the hair looks when it's been air dried, and give you guys the rest of my thoughts on this wig.
Ooh, see, baby, this is for you, for you. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Lotus flower bomb, firefly. When I'm low, he take me high. Let me teach you all the sounds of love. Late night text, late night call, steady on the phone. Been thinking about you up all night. You got me up.
Okay everybody, so here's the wig right here from Sogoodhair. This is how the hair is going to look after you wash the hair, and I did not put anything in this hair. This hair is in its absolute natural state, and I just wanted to show you guys how it's going to look. So as you see, this hair is gorgeous. It's absolutely gorgeous. I think that I'm gonna let this wig right here replace the last wavy wig that I reviewed, because the waves are much more defined and it's absolutely beautiful. Okay, so as you guys see, very, very wavy and pretty. I did not bleach my knots or anything. All I did was put a little bit of powder in my parting space. And as you see, it does look fairly natural. If you want to do baby hair or whatever, you can definitely go ahead and do that. But y'all know that I do not do that. I didn't add any layers or anything to this hair. This is exactly how this hair looks. Also, the density on this wig is perfect. It's not too much hair at all. This is all of the hair right here. And as you see, it's nice and full. It's not too thin or skimpy or anything like that. And also the cap on this wig is very comfortable. It's not too big, it's not too small. It's an average cap size, so it's definitely very comfortable. I was actually very surprised that I liked this wig. I didn't think that I would like it. I thought that it was going to be too similar to the last one that I reviewed. I ended up really liking this one. And to me, this basically is the perfect wig, and I do believe for this length that it's under $100. So another thing that I like about this wig is I'm not wearing my wig grip or anything, and the wig is definitely secure and it's not slipping back. So for me, that's perfect, because I do not like that slipping and sliding back, because I do not glue my wigs down or anything like that. I only got a little bit of shedding when I wash the wig. I haven't gotten any tangling. I definitely don't have any complaints about this wig at all. Okay, so if anyone's interested in purchasing this wig, there will be a link for you guys in the description bar. And if you have any questions or comments, you know that you guys can leave those below. And as always, I thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.